Are you looking for the best three-wheels cruiser bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best three-wheels cruiser bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR Adult 24-inch Carbon Steel Tricycle. The VEVOR 3-wheel cruiser bike offers multiple size options to fit riders from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 2 inches, ensuring you can find the right fit for a comfortable ride. Its carbon steel frame is strong and durable, providing a smooth and stable experience on city roads while resisting deformation. The bike features a simple single-speed design, making it easy to use and ideal for beginners or those seeking a hassle-free ride. Its stable 3-wheel structure, along with a soft cushioned seat and adjustable handlebars, ensures you stay comfortable and balanced during your trips, whether short or long. What we like: multiple size options, durable carbon steel frame, simple single-speed design, comfortable adjustable seating, stable 3-wheel structure. Number 2. VIRIBUS 7-speed adult tricycle with baskets. The VIRIBUS 7-speed tricycle offers a stable ride with its strong high-carbon steel frame, supporting riders up to 450 pounds. You'll appreciate the smooth shifting through 7 gears, making it easier to pedal on flat roads and giving you extra power when climbing hills. Comfort is key, thanks to the wide padded seat and adjustable handlebars and seat, so you can customize your ride to fit your needs. Plus, the front and rear removable baskets provide plenty of storage space for groceries, pets, or picnic items, making your trips more convenient and enjoyable. What we like: sturdy high-carbon steel frame, 7-speed smooth gear shifting, adjustable seat and handlebars, front and rear cargo baskets, comfortable wide padded saddle. Number 3. Outroad 24-inch adult 1-speed cruiser tricycle. The Outroad 1-speed cruiser trike offers a simple, easy-to-use design with its single-speed setup, making it perfect for beginners and seniors who want a hassle-free ride. Its sturdy carbon steel frame supports up to 350 pounds, giving you confidence whether you're carrying yourself or extra cargo. The 3-wheel design adds extra stability, so you can enjoy a smooth, balanced ride. Plus, the large rear basket provides plenty of space for your shopping, picnic items, or even pets, making this trike a practical choice for everyday outings and outdoor fun. What we like: single-speed simplicity, strong carbon steel frame, stable 3-wheel design, large rear cargo basket,